Two giants in business dashboards face off. One with serious analytics muscle, the other promising insights at lightning speed. Which one really delivers? On the left, Tableau, known as the powerhouse for deep data analytics. And on the right, Databox, the platform for instant, effortless reporting. Let's skip the sales pitch and dive into what actually matters. Each round, both tools earn points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. And trust me, the result for 2025 just might surprise you. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to look at a bunch of things: price, ease of use, analytics power, integrations, reporting and automation, embedded and white label features, and design and UI. Let's smash through these, because honestly, each category tells a different story. So, kicking things off, let's talk price. Tableau is more like, oh cool, flexible tiers. But then you realize it's all per user, and those costs can add up fast, especially for a big team. And you got to commit for a whole year, which is, not exactly chill. On the other hand, Databox does it differently. It's one price, unlimited users. No surprise bills if the team grows. Flat pricing with easy scaling, which is honestly refreshing. There's one catch though. If you've got loads of data sources, you'll pay a bit extra above the plan limit. But if you're running a tight ship, it's super affordable. Yeah, Databox totally wins on cost. All right, usability, probably what most folks actually care about. Tableau has crazy power, no question, but building dashboards can feel like a part-time job. You need time, and it takes some real tech know-how to get everything the way you want. Databox? Oh man, it's drag and drop. Like, you're building dashboards before you've even finished your coffee. Tons of ready-made metrics. Everything's intuitive. And honestly, if you want results now, not in the next quarter, Databox feels way better. Sure, it's not designed for deep data diving, but for most teams, that's fine. So, ease of use goes to Databox. But wait, analytics power. This is Tableau's turf. If you need wild custom analysis, machine learning insights, and the whole enterprise jazz, it pretty much delivers everything. You can sculpt your data exactly how you want it, as long as you can handle the complexity. Databox actually gets pretty close for the basics: row-level drill downs, anomaly detection, solid charts. But if you want to go all out with analytics wizardry, you'll feel the limits. For analytics madness, Tableau is still the champ. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Databox can build a dashboard in minutes, while Tableau often requires hours or even days for setup? That's wild, right? Let's talk integrations. Tableau plays well with the big dogs: AWS, Azure, Hadoop, all the major databases. And there's just mountains of connectors. Sometimes, yeah, they're a pain to set up though. Databox is more like your friendly neighbor. 130 plus native connectors, connects quick to all the popular business apps, and you get scheduled syncs. But there's simply more depth on Tableau if you're into connecting pretty much anything on Earth. So for integrations, Tableau's got the edge. On to reporting and automation, where things get spicy. Tableau lets you schedule robust report snapshots, and its Pulse AI features are honestly super smart. But let's just say, setting up automation isn't exactly a breeze. Databox, though, automated reports, scheduled sends, and dynamic AI-powered summaries, all minutes after setup. You don't get the same level of crazy custom options as with Tableau, but most teams want something that just works. And on that front, Databox is quicker and simpler, hands down. Embedded analytics and white label, huge for agencies and enterprises. Tableau goes all out. Full embedded features and proper white label options, so you can brand the dashboard like it's yours. The downside? Expect to pay more for that power. Databox keeps things easy. HTML embeds for sharing. Clients can see dashboards without hassle, but no true white label and not as much robustness. For serious embedded use, Tableau is the clear winner. Last up, design and UI. Tableau definitely looks pro, like classic boardroom stuff. But unless you put in effort, it can feel a little 2018. Databox flips that script. Everything looks fresh, modern, and honestly, way more likely to impress your boss or clients at first glance. You lose a bit of extreme flexibility, but for most, simplicity and style win. In this category, Databox totally nails it. So if you mapped out all these features, you'd see Databox shining for teams that care about speed, style, and usability. Tableau, though, its radar is way bigger in deep analytics, integration flexibility, and heavy-duty enterprise stuff. Here's my honest take. If you're a power user, data scientist, or running analytics for a huge company, Tableau is worth every penny and every late-night learning curve. But if you just need killer dashboards, instant insights, and something your whole team can use right now, Databox is the no-brainer. It's ridiculously fast and, honestly, good enough for the vast majority of business teams. That's the breakdown, folks. If you found this helpful, definitely share it with your team. And hey, stick around for more real-world tech battles coming soon.